So we have speed in meters per second on the y-axis, time in the SI unit of seconds on the x-axis. So the first and the most basic shape that we can have of the graph is a horizontal line, and more precisely a horizontal line which is right on top of the x-axis. So this is a zero valued function. So I can see from the graph that the speed has a zero value, right? So the speed in this case is just 0. So this basically means that this object is at rest, right? This is the simplest case that we can have. The next case we can have is if this line is just raised above, so it's some constant value of the speed but it's not 0. So that's the second case. So in this case the speed is not 0. This has some constant value. Let's say this value is maybe a number like 20, right? So the speed is constant at 20 meters per second, right? It's not changing, it's not going up or down. The value of the speed is constant. So this is the case of speed being constant, right? So this is basically a case of we'll just call it constant speed. And even though this case really doesn't need the discussion of a gradient, we can see that the gradient of this would be the acceleration, right? And since this is a horizontal line, the gradient is 0. So that also implies that the acceleration would be 0, which is why the speed is not changing, right? So this is how we talk about another shape.